Oh gosh.
There's just too much stuff in here.
Keep going. Abby, no.
I'd like to get it up higher. Oh. Where is it?
See why it comes with a repair kit.
You're not kidding. I guess there's some cut.
I can see the lights.
Look at Jake.
Oh,
Are you helping?
now it's couch debris on it.
Debris.
Maybe we should have it take off over here.
Well, that was your most successful flight, taking off of here.
Need some like boxes.
Right here, Dad. You can use those boxes if you want to put them on. Oh, God.
No.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, God. Turn it off!
I did.
Okay.
That's not very good, did it? This is behind you.
It's
Behind the TV.
Oh.